Hey guys, this is my AR drone. It's the Parrot. Just got it in. Pretty neat. Been flying a little bit. Flying it with the iPad. I've tried the iPhone too. They both seem to work fine. I reset it here. And you see it's really stable. It's flying itself right there. And I'm going to touch the screen and tilt forward, and there she goes. Takes both hands to fly it really good, but the moment I let off the sticks, you can see it hold itself again. It's pretty slick. Flies pretty good. I'm flying in beginner right now at the moment. I turned it up and to advanced. I didn't quite like the way the controls worked. Can't go any higher because I can't use my other hand at the moment. Again, if you mess up, you just let off and she stops and holds herself still. Pretty stable. Okay, that's about all I can do with one hand, so more later.